Since Kenya confirmed her first coronavirus on March 13th, authorities have adopted various measures to curb the spread of the virus while stopping short of imposing a full lockdown. We spent a day this week exploring how the measures are impacting the capital, Nairobi, and its 4.3 million inhabitants. It's 6:45 a.m. at Ndenderu police checkpoint. The sun has just risen and the morning mist envelops a valley on the outskirts of Nairobi. On this road heading north towards the Rift Valley region, armed police monitor vehicles and pedestrians. The only people who can go through are only ones with authorization. The lorry is carrying food, doctors, etc., explains Police Inspector Julius Kariuki Mugo. Edward, a 25-year-old driver, shows a stamped pass from his boss that enables him to continue on his route to deliver his goods. Since April 6th, Kenya has blocked movement in and out of Nairobi, 3 coastal towns, and the northeastern county of Mandera. After initially creeping up slowly, virus cases this week began to jump, with authorities fearing rampant community transmission in slums and poor areas of the capital and second city, Mombasa. 8:30 a.m. Central Nairobi. Normally congested during rush hour, Central Nairobi is quiet, though traffic jams have been slowly returning of late. 12 p.m. Some businesses, for instance the Java chain of restaurants, have continued operating, albeit at a much reduced pace. Java, with 2,500 employees in total and 50 restaurants in Nairobi alone, plans to reopen gradually after the government last week approved a supervised resumption of restaurants' activity.
I have 18 guests, but at the moment it's a bit slow. We've been affected a lot since we are only doing takeaways. The government asked our company to come up with the idea whereby we have the thermometer to feature out our guests, measuring their temperatures, and then 1.5 meter away distance, and then obeying the rules and regulations, the way we are going to dispose our mask and how we are going to handle this issue of COVID-19.
3 p.m. Grocery stores, one of the few sectors still booming during this pandemic, have also had to manage changes. Masks are required, thermal screening takes place at the entrance, and shopping carts are regularly wiped down with disinfectants. At the registers, markers on the ground indicate where customers must stand to keep an appropriate distance.
The only big challenge I would say we have is when families are walking in together. Reason being, maintaining the social distance is such a challenge.
7 p.m. Kibera slum. This settlement in the heart of Nairobi, home to hundreds of thousands of Kenyans and often billed as the largest slum in Africa, continues to buzz with activity. A handful of cases of the virus have cropped up here and in other slums in the capital, sparking fears of a massive outbreak in the crowded settlements where social distancing is near impossible. As curfew approaches, police patrols shine their spotlight on Kibera. 9 p.m. downtown Nairobi. The city center is deserted. At Nairobi's CBD, signs bearing prevention messages, "Stay home, wash hands," are prevalent. The only few people around are essential service providers. David KAGINA reporting for Switch TV, Nairobi.